Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to today's science lesson. Last time we looked at a review of living and non-living things, and today we will be looking at Unit 2, Parts of Plants. Last time we had an introduction, but today we'll be looking at more details about parts of plants. Before we start, I want you to watch a short video about it so that you can get a better understanding. And then I'll see you for the review.
Flower, stem, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. Flower, stem, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. And all it takes is sun and showers, and a seed grows into a flower. Faster! Flower, stem, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. Flower, stem, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. And all it takes is sun and showers, and a seed grows into a flower. Faster! Flower, stem, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. Flower, stem, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. And all it takes is sun and showers, and a seed grows into a flower. Super fast! Flower, stem, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. Flower, stem, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. And all it takes is sun and showers, and a seed grows into a flower. Roots, stem, leaves, flower needs sun and air and a little rain shower. Roots, stem, leaves, flower needs sun and air and a little rain shower. We start with a tiny seed in the ground, buried in the dirt, roots will be found. The roots get water and form a base. The roots will hold the plant in place. The stem holds the plant up straight and tall. It helps make sure the plant doesn't fall. The stem carries water up from the dirt. The stem helps keep the plant alert. Roots, stem, leaves, flower needs sun and air and a little rain shower. Roots, stem, leaves, flower needs sun and air and a little rain shower. The leaves are not just there for show. The leaves will work to help the plant grow. They take in sunlight and make it sweet. The leaves make food for the plant to eat. The colorful flower is so very bright. Bees will stop and rest in their flight. They pollinate flowers and spread it around. Then the seeds fall to the ground. Roots, stem, leaves, flower needs sun and air and a little rain shower. Roots, stem, leaves, flower needs sun and air and a little rain shower.
Okay, everybody, welcome back to today's science lesson. I hope you're keeping safe and that you're having fun learning at home. Today's lesson will be about Unit 2, Parts of Plants Review. We will also be doing the bookwork for Unit 1, Habitats. But before we do that, I would like us to take a look at the parts of plants and a quick review. Can you remember the different parts of plants and what they do? Let's take a look together. The first thing we looked at was the roots. All plants have roots. Roots help to hold the plants to the ground. Roots also take water from the soil up into the plant so it can grow taller. The next thing we looked at was stems. All plants have stems. They help to hold the plants up. If we don't have stems, the plants will fall down and they can't grow any taller. Can you tell me what the next part of the plant is? That's correct. The leaves. All plants have leaves. They make food for the plant. Most leaves are green, as you can see in the picture. The next thing we looked at was flowers. The flowers attract insects, such as bees, who help to make more plants. And can you remember we said that not all plants have fruit? Only fruit trees grow fruits. An example is the orange tree or the cherry tree. Okay, everyone, that is all for the review on Unit 2. Now I would like us to complete the bookwork for Unit 1 about the habitats. Can you remember what we spoke about with living and non living things? Living things have a habitat. We looked at land animals and water animals. I would like you to take out your science book as shown on the screen and to open to page 15 and page 16. On page 15, let's do the first example together. D. Complete the name and identify habitats of animals. Living things and the name. What is the name of this animal? Can you tell me? That is correct. F-O-X, fox. The name of this animal is fox. Do you think the fox lives on land or do you think it lives in water? Can you say? Correct. A fox lives on land, so you can put a tick into the correct box. Now that you have an example, you can complete the rest of them by yourself. On page 16, the first one is you have to write the habitat. You can write land or water. Number 1, fish live in water. Correct. Fish live in water. Now you can do number 2 to number 7 by yourself. Fill in water or land. 8. Name 4 animals that live on land. I'll help you with the first one. Fox. A fox lives on land. And number 9, name 4 animals that live in water. Can you name one? Dolphin. A dolphin lives in water. You can do B, C, and D by yourself. Think about which animals live in water. Okay, everybody, that is it for today's video. Just a short review about the different parts of plants and the bookwork. I'll see you soon. Okay, boys and girls, that is it for today's video. Today you learned about a review of Unit 2 parts of plants, and we also looked at parts of plants in more detail. You learned about how the different parts help the plant to grow bigger and bigger, and their different functions. Next time we'll be looking at it in even more detail. I'll see you then. Keep safe. Bye.